Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Woman delivers her own baby at Spanish Town Hospital. My viewers and subscribers, these things shouldn't be happening. These things shouldn't be happening. And when me telling us say, me vex and cut up about the situation, my viewers and subscribers, I am not happy with Spanish Town Hospital. Can you imagine? Can you imagine a pregnant woman went in? She was 24 weeks pregnant and she is in pain. And only thing the nurses them could have said to the young lady is that we cannot help. You have to wait until the doctor comes. The doctor is on his way. Listen, what kind of hospital? That Spanish Town Hospital, and you don't have any midwife there? This is an unacceptable behavior. This is very unacceptable. Really and truly, it is unacceptable. You see, at this point, me can't even really blame the nurses them. Because remember, the nurses them said they never train. The nurses them said they never train. So the young lady have to sit and wait for a doctor to come. Remember, this is an emergency, The young lady, it's a priority, The young lady in pain, What kind of hospital do not have midwife there? If you don't have a midwife there, you better did try to send her to another hospital. This is why you always see me come out and cuss out Christopher Tufton Clark. You understand me? Because right now, this is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Amount of money you want to get, brother. Amount of money you want to get. You need for, you need to do better, You need to do better, You understand? You need more nurses and doctors at the hospital. Seriously. Seriously, if the lady come in and you do not tell the lady that the doctor is on its way, because anything can happen with the doctor they on its way. You need to tell her, try ring up another hospital and try to send her to a different hospital. You can't just leave people. People come. Patient come because they're not well. And you just turn a blind eye. Me tell you, because the top of the stream dirty. The bottom of the stream also dirty. My viewers and subscribers, may I go play the video clip. I want to know if you listen keenly to this. Because you see this just get me really angry. And then you come out and talk about Christopher Tufton and do good. All you and your oldness, all you is not a good man. Hear this.
Pneumonia, 24 weeks pregnant, and a history of short-term pregnancies, she was being extra careful. She was later admitted, but then something strange started to happen, and she believed it had nothing to do with pneumonia.
My viewers and subscribers, I'm going to listen keenly.
I feel some belly pain, but it never unbearable. So I say, alright, let me watch this. When I feel it, I get too frequent. I say to the nurse, nurse, I don't like what I pain I feel. Should I do vitals?
She explained that the nurse examined her and asked if she needed to use the bathroom. But as the minutes became hours, the pain got worse. And then the unexpected happened. Her water broke. Note she was just 24 weeks pregnant.
I still stay one place because I don't know what is going to happen. One other nurse come, I'm strong with you. I said, I don't know. Come here tell you the water broke. And I behave like me now, no sense.
My viewers and subscribers, members of the nurse them, they're not trained. I know doctor not do that, did they? But my thing is, I believe where the nurse then go wrong was when the lady first came in and they know so no doctor never dead there, then should call up different hospital or the closest hospital, the nearest hospital, we can deal with a situation like this and transfer her. That is where them go wrong. Because you see the whole of them right there, so it's really and truly, me can't really blame the nurse them, you know. But still, stay with her, reassure her. You can't just left her. Try, that you should do, try to call her on hospitals. That is the first thing. You know, so no doctor never did it, no midwife no did it. Try to transfer her. You understand? But the thing is, you don't care. My viewers and subscribers, to me, I just believe because the nurse, they not trained, they don't want their owner because they don't want, if anything happen, they go lose their job. That is the thing. But my thing is, if they really think about the patient, they shouldn't call the hospital from the lady reach there and they know so no doctor no did no midwife and anything can happen because she feel pain. They shouldn't have her waiting there. No, they shouldn't call the closest hospital, as I said before, the nearest hospital, as I said before, and see if they can transfer her. They shouldn't do that. What kind of hospital is this? This just show me say, you don't give a shit. You don't care about nobody. And this another first time it happened. Me talk to people whenever come in at the paper or come in at the news about situation like this. And the same thing happen to somebody that I know. They lose them baby and nobody look upon her. Nobody. You understand? This is wrong. This is highly unacceptable. Highly unacceptable. Guys, let me tell you something. You see, when a pregnant woman ready to have a baby, this is a life and death situation. It is a very, very scary moment. This is the time when you need somebody to reassure you. And the thing is, when people ready to have baby, they have a tendency where they like to tell them at the hospital, say, nobody is not allowed in the room with you. All them foolishness there. And you need to cut out that too. Because you know so up to something, me couldn't want nobody else in the room but una alone. Yeah, and that's our problem. You understand? Because if somebody was there with that young lady, yeah, even when she had got through, somebody wouldn't even try to help her, one of her family member or somebody, because she was on the phone and see somebody was telling her to put the baby on her chest. So where were you? Where were the nurses? Where were the nurses? And I blame the nurses in a one sense because when the lady come at the hospital, Uno should have phone at the hospital and ask if there are any doctor available. Yeah, that one should handle. Or on the phone the hospital, as I said before, I'm say numerous of times, on should have phone the hospital and ask if they have space so uno can do a transfer and transfer her to the other hospital. This is ridiculous. My people uno hear more because I said this get me bringle. Me I tell you no, hear more.
By now it was about midnight, and she was in the waiting area of the accident and emergency department, which she described as a makeshift isolation unit for patients.
I'm lay down, I'm feel the baby go down, and she come up and I know say, the next time she go down, she go come out.
And just as she imagined, within a few minutes, she was giving birth. Frantic and frustrated, she said she called the nurse who informed her that there was nothing she could do and the doctor was on his way.
When I say nurse, take her, your baby just fly right out in front of her and she just walk away. I say, I said to the girl on the phone, I said she born. And she said, take her, put her up on your chest. But it looked like the card never come out good. So it never tall enough. So the only thing I could do, I take her and put her right here so I wrap her up.
By now, she told us it was almost 3 in the morning. The baby was unresponsive and the placenta was still attached to her.
So when Missy said come out now, I just take up it, take up the baby, and put her in the towel and I wrap her up. I wrap her up because I don't know if she have a faint heartbeat or what. Not even if I take the baby and carry her, go over maternity and left me, make me stay there. And you try to save the baby, that you go to me say you can't do nothing.
My viewers and subscribers, the nurses are heartless. They forget fire. They for lose their job. Me I tell you now. These nurses for lose their job. Yeah, tell me say, all of this happen, all now the doctor not reach yet. So, it's like, I don't understand. And when you're ready, when them ready, Andrew Holness him come out and talk about how Christopher Tufton is doing a wonderful job and he's so proud of Christopher Tufton. My viewers and subscribers, this hurt me. May I tell you now.
From all along, them said I'm going to carry me if I go do it. It not do. Then when the baby there, them going to tell me them want to. I tell them I not do none. Okay, ma'am, that's up to you when him walk away. I'm going to say back no more doctor from that. Them just move on like it's business as usual. Nothing happen. Armstrong, time for your medication. Armstrong, you want food? If yes, if no, business as usual.
It's been 9 days and Miss Armstrong is livid. She wants action now. The incident has left her traumatized. Just last year, she was in a similar position at the same hospital where she lost another child at 32 weeks.
The loving Prime Minister and the loving Health Minister, they need to investigate not just this. Anybody else will complain because we're not lying.
We know you're not lying, baby girl, at all. We know. We know so the hospital, they know good. We know everything what going in at the hospital. But me telling you something. All uno nurses, uno go on like say uno now go get sick. Uno go on like say uno now go get sick. Uno go on like say uno go always good and fit at all times. But me tell you now, God work in mysterious ways. Uno hear me? God work in mysterious ways. You see, if uno do not want to look after people, do not go and take up them the job there. Nurse not fit everybody. You understand? And everybody passionate about nursing. Being a nurse and everybody passionate. My viewers and subscribers, wanna tell me what wanna think. Wanna tell me how you feel about this. Because you see this, I hope Andrew Holness hear this and Christopher Tufton. And Christopher Tufton, you have to do better. You have to do better. That's what you need to do. You need to do better for the people them and the country. The health system fail us over again. I don't know nothing about it. And it is ridiculous. This need to stop. This need to stop. You understand me? When is this going to stop? When? Amount of people come out and talk about these things and none changes. You need to investigate the hospital. Not only Spanish Town Hospital, but all of the hospital them in Jamaica. You need to investigate them and start fire some people. Because guess what? Nursing and not for everybody. And everybody come and say they want to be a nurse. Really mean that from them heart. Nurse or something. Being a nurse, you have to be very passionate and caring about a person. I just want to say rest in peace to that baby. And my condolence goes out to the family. Guys, wanna tell me what you think about this. Tell me how you feel about this. And put an honest opinion in the comment section. And anybody will go through or experience something like this, please, you can reach out to me, and put it in the comment section. Alright? Anyway, hear this.
Yeah, man, big up to all of me nice and decent people in Jamaica, and big up nice and decent labor right them too. Yeah, big up on yourself too. But yeah, big up yourself, Rasta, at top of the press. But yeah, hear me now, Rasta. This brother that them call stranger, saying that if I don't see what Tufton is doing for the poor people, that him is making denture for them. So who not have teeth because it's so expensive. Why you have to build that? Why you didn't give the man them some job? Set up some jobs for them so that they can go and buy their own denture. Because to me, I know that when you are making a denture, you have got to go to the dentist and him put one thing on your gum and then him take the razor off of that now and build the teeth so it can fit your gum. When Tufton build teeth now and my gum shrink and me get a denture, how it going to work? Me now can't walk my mouth. Me can't smile. Me can't kid my teeth. You see it? Because it's going to be dropping down at all times. This is what I say. You're a stupid man, you know, man. You're damn stupid. Because what the Jamaica Labour Party has promised the people from 2016 now, see, till 2023 now, going to 2024, nothing have deliver. You got to talk about it take time. Take time for them to enrich themselves and value 190 odd million US dollar. Take time for them do that, but it take time for poor people can eat 3 meals a day. And you tell me about I do not sound I not come like I come from Jamaica or me not that Jamaica. You know see me? You don't come like you is in Jamaica. Because you're talking pure shit. Pure fat. You see what I say? See? Up till now, for 7 years, I don't see nothing that Andrew Warnes have done. Nothing. I can tell you something that Portia Simpson Miller have done. Portia Simpson Miller have built a highway from Wochi to Spanish Town. Andrew Warnes only repairing all the estimate and all the plan that have been drawn for all the road them where them are do was done by the People's National Party. And the money was there. In take the country, I take the country from 0. In take the country from 100% and bring it back down to 0. If you don't know, you are a rainbow, you know. Because the only good that Andrew Warnes is doing now is legalizing rainbow.
Me say, if me agree with Rasta 150%, Rasta, keep burning the fire. Keep on talking the truth. Keep on talking the truth, me Jenna, me elder. Respect to you. Because you know what? You know what really I gone for a long time. You understand? You're an elder to me. You get me? And I respect you. So when some people come out and I run off their mouth, you just run them away. Because I just chat them a chat. Because then I see what Andrew do. Andrew wreck the country. That's all me see Andrew Warnes doing. And Andrew do not have no respect. No respect for the Jamaican people. And he disrespect the Jamaican people and the Christianity community. He's a disgrace. So my viewers and subscribers, tell me if you don't agree with Rasta. Put on an honest opinion in the comment section for me there. Like up the video, share out the video and subscribe to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.